made any sense, so I'm done playing. I'm done playing.
His genetic data is still slumbering here.
Is he all right?
Brother Naruto! Time to train ninjutsu! Alright, you guys! So I put together all my years of hard
Man,
work.
he's just
Came
so
up with a
eager.
plan for you!
Looks like this might be fun.
Don't be such a wimp! Whatever you do, give it your all! First, we'll run down to the lake! Let's go!
Immortality was your best trait. But look at you, you're in pieces.
What about you? Didn't you blow yourself up or something?
That's it. That concludes our training.
You all did just great. How about I go buy some drinks for everyone?
You keep harping on about art.
Shut up! You can't do anything if you step out of that curse symbol of yours.
Enough warm-up. Time for the main event.
Mom, Dad, can I get an ice cream from the store?
I miss him so much. You're really not trying to lose that weight, are you? Maybe I'll supervise your training.
Hi there. What's wrong, you guys?
Naruto? You pushed yourself too hard.
I'll be fine.
Stop it! What's the matter? Stop, Mina! Mina! Guess she doesn't like you.
Why? Did I do something wrong?
Let me examine you. Stop wiggling around! Isn't that the chief of the village?
This man standing here beside me came into the town hall this very morning.
Grandpa!
You're both all right. Oh, thank goodness. I put such a burden on you.
No, it's fine.
On that night, do you remember the items that I gave you? I entrusted parts of it to another guard, just as I entrusted you with yours. The remaining 2 pieces must be protected at all costs. And that is why I would like Disonasu here. Where are they? Give them to me.
She's quite sharp.
Kabuto!
I'm going to take Fatso over there and squeeze information out of him.
Chief!
So a sacrifice that's almost dead is useless.
What is it, Naruto? What's the matter?
Mina! Mina!
disappearance?
It's Naruto transformed into Nine Tails.
The Nine Tails chakra is immense.
When did you do it to Naruto?
It was all by chance.
What the hell?
You got it! All right, rescue the townspeople. Shisaru, watch the kids!
Big brother!
Naruto! Naruto!
Splendid. Splendid indeed, Naruto.
Excuse me. I've just learned that there were no fatalities.
According to Shisuru, just as they were about to be trampled, something like a giant snake appeared. Kabuto seemed to have a hard time controlling it. Probably hasn't perfected the process yet.
Thank you. Where are the kids?
It's your true nature. It is unavoidable. Abandon this pointless defiance. Free me.
Naruto, you okay?
Leave me alone!
I'm sorry.
I'm sure your heart was in the right place. You did it because you care about her and thought it would help. Well, I guess the village should take them. Besides, I can't keep relying on you for so much.
I was thinking how nice it would be to take in the kids, live together with them. Would you be opposed to that? You can still be just my brother. That wasn't your fault at all, Doku.
It's my fault. He's part of me.
You're wrong! You are being used, Naruto! Not at all!
No, it is me. I will destroy it all!
You'll be no such thing. We understand what caring for someone means.
However you choose to use that power, you must still bear the weight of shouldering such a responsibility. Why did you desire such power?
To protect my friends.
That strong conviction inside you. Don't waver. I believe in you. I picked this up for you. I believe in you.
We gotta save Sensei. All right, guys. This time it's our turn to save Sensei.
Chief, I've had enough of this farce. Everything would be over and done with already. Behold the Saezuri that slumbered here so long. The head of your village should have minded his own business. He wasted precious time gathering the sounds he scattered about. Why you? You have absolutely no idea what I've gone through in order to try to regain the power I've lost. Now, where are the remaining sounds? I do not have any more time to waste. Naruto, I hear that you brought down Pain of the Akatsuki.
If you lay a hand on him, I'll kill you!
Those snakes consume chakra.
You fool! You're so full of yourself!
Here, just take him. Just take him and then let Doku-sensei and Naruto go!
They're above us. My, they're so brave. they've come to save you.
Why?
Then we'd better approach cautiously.
Sensei!
No, stop! Don't you dare lay a hand on them!
All 7 of them! I've done it! At last!
Consume chakra.
By varying the patterns of sounds entered into the size, one can increase or decrease the level of power available.
Mina!
Amazing! Amazing! With this activation pattern, the way to release power.
Too much ambition. I looked you up in an old wanted criminals report. You were known as a homicidal maniac who claimed thousands of victims. Surrender, Disonasu.
Brother!
Shisharu!
Hey, leave that one to me!
Naruto! Naruto!
It's all over for you guys now!
You'll soon see that art.
No way!
What are you? The power you possess. Over the years up till now, there have been many people who've taught me a whole lot of really important lessons. My power isn't just the Rasengan or Sage Jutsu. My true power is right here.
Sai!
Reanimated shinobi that don't regenerate?
I'll get you!
Your ability is useless without backup to support you.
Well... now then...
I won't let you go any further.
I won't give up! Not when I'm this close!
Is this?
Hey, stop! Damn you!
Well, seems those clone snakes that constitute your body have a very big defect.
Look.
This entire area must have been elevated and supported by those tree roots.
Power. If I can just bathe in all that power.
You're sure you should be spending your time on me? Because it seems like you've got bigger trouble on your hands.
Are you going to die here? I'll lend you
Power?
Control your power. I'm certain that you'll be able to find the answer, Naruto. Different transformation.
Naruto.
Naruto!
It's too dangerous here. You have to get away.
This is my duty now.
You think you can get there by yourself? In your current condition?
Lando, as the oldest, you're in charge. If anyone's in trouble, you help them.
Please, Mina, I'm sorry I hurt you that day. I'm sorry.
You three, keep them safe.
Get him, Sensei!
If we actually make it out of here alive, let's get married! Look, there it is. It's the book the chief used to carry around. That's it. Huh? Yes, the one that she's always humming to herself.
Kill, destroy the entire world!
I think this'll work.
Naruto!
Not good. He's lost all control of himself.
Shisaru! Quick, climb up.
Sakura, quick, you have to heal me. The Ninetales is too strong. I don't know how long I can keep restraining him.
Mina!
We have to try something else!
Don't give up. Brother, you can stop.
I won't let you go. I'm not going to watch the person I love fall. No, never again. That's why I will never let go of you again.
I've been in love with you too, all these years. All that time, I still loved you. But Doku, who's going to protect the children?
But hey...
Naruto, please save them.
I believe in you, in the good in you, and in your power.
Because those two are Mom and Dad!
Hurry up and stop that thing! Don't get in his way!
Don't just stand there. Help me.
Go ahead. Get your revenge.
Why?
Wait! It was him! He attacked your village! Ah!
Big Brother Naruto!
Big Brother Naruto!
Thank you for saving my life, Naruto.
Sure!